Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mimpi Mahrita. Today I will discuss about the course Economics and ICT Learning Media with the material is Developing Media and Evaluation Media. So, let's discuss. Okay, the first material is developing media, and developing media is such as three. The first is developing audio learning media. In the development of audio learning media, focus on teaching materials through sound. So, it can be defined that learning audio media is a means used to convey messages or series of learning material messages through sound or sound recorder using voice recording devices, then listen back to learners in the learning process. So, there are several audio formats used in using audio learning media in the learning process. Namely, as follows is the first is 3AVX. 3AVX is not a file format but simple a codec such as DIVX, WMV, and XVID. Developed by 3IVX Technologies. Its core technology is optimized for a diverse processor architecture, including the accompanying platform, and allows for MP4 and MP4 data streams, and can also be used to create STEM audio AAC. And the second is ASV, or Advanced Streaming Format, or Advanced System Format. Is a format developed by Microsoft used for digital video audio, designed for streaming and forming part of the Windows Media Framework. And ASV can use a variety of code, but in practice used is the WMV or WMI codec, which is also from Microsoft. And the three is AVA. AVA or audio video interleaved is introduced by Microsoft in 1992 as part of its Video for Windows technology. AVA files store audio and video data on interleaved structures. This file is only a container, and audio video data can be compressed using various codecs, and the quality and capacity depends on the codec, and specifically the codec used are MPEG, DIVX, or WMV. And the last is DIVX is a codec, not a file format. The first DIVX edition was a hacked version of Microsoft MPEG-4 codec video. Jerome Marotta, DIVX developer, founded DIVX Networks and created DIVX-4, the last version of the codec to avoid copyright issue with Microsoft. And the next is develop visual learning media. In develop of audio learning media, focus on teaching materials through the 5 senses. So, it can be defined that visual media is a teaching aid used by teacher in the learning process that can be enjoyed by students through vision or 5 senses. Visual media is said to be able to display the real, tangible things of the phenomena study. And there are two types of media in visual media, namely silent visual media and motion visual media. Silent visual media is graphic media or silent visual in a practical sense can be interpreted as a medium that communicates facts and ideas clearly and strongly through the fusion of the disclosure of words and images in print. And next is motion visual media or visual media motion is a medium in the form of silent films. In this one media that is displayed is a visual thing only, without audio, so that all that is presented is movement only. And the next is develop graphic learning media. In the development of audio learning media, focus on teaching materials through the combination of visual and films. Thus, it can be defined that graphic media is a visual media that presents facts, ideas through the presentation of words, sentences, numbers, and symbols or images. Graphics are usually used to attract attention, clarify the presentation of ideas, and illustrate facts of that they attract and remember people. Examples in graphic media are visual that can present various facts in the form of photo, images, paintings, and other is one of the common language and can be easily enjoyed. And the next material about the evaluation media. And the first is the importance of media evaluation. Evaluation in the medium of learning focus on quality in learning itself, so that it can be defined that the evaluation, this is a step that must be done in development of learning media. The importance of this evaluation to ensure that the learning media developed is guaranteed good quality and can fulfill its function to achieve learning goals. So, evaluation it is necessary to assess or benchmark the ability whether or not the method is used. With the evaluation, we become aware of what needs to be improved, just sufficiently or less. And without any evaluation, we do not know the progress or setbacks that occur in a process. And the last is a media evaluation component. In evaluation component can be divided into 5 components. Namely, the first is determining criteria, standard of practice, and evaluation question. The second is collects data on the health status of the client that has just occurred. Third is analyze and compare data against criteria and standard notes. Four is summarize the result and conclusion. Okay, enough for discussion our today about the course Economic and ICT Learning Media with the material is Developing Media and Evaluation Media. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.